Meanwhile, the House of Representatives has ratified the Human Rights Compensation Bill. We'll have the full story from Freddy Abando.
There is good news for victims of human rights of the Marcos regime. Congressman Edsel Lagman championed the bill since the 10th Congress on its third and final term. The Compensation Act for Human Rights Victims will soon be signed into law by President Aquino. The bill is due for ratification in both houses of Congress. Rights victims from September 21, 1972 to February 25, 1986 will receive compensation to be decided by a compensation board. It will include the 10,000 victims who were ordered indemnified by a U.S. trial court in Hawaii. There is a point system which will determine how much each victim will receive as payment for the human rights violations they were exposed to during the Marcos years. 10 billion pesos from the 35 billion pesos secured from Marcos deposits in Switzerland held in trust by the National Treasury will serve as payment for compensation.
Those who were killed or summarily executed, as well as those who were forcibly disappeared and until now are missing, they would get the full 10 points. Those who were tortured or sexually abused or raped, they would get from 6 to 9 points. And those other victims of human rights violations, including persons who were economically oppressed, will get a minimum of 2 points. In other words, there will be rhyme and reason in the award of reparation.
The bill also calls for the establishment of a human rights memorial to honor the memory of those who fought the Marcos dictatorship. 500 million pesos will fund the memorial, plus the setting up of a library which will be the repository or the archives of the dark days of martial law.
There is a provision in the reconciled bill which provides for the establishment of a memorial, a library, and a museum to honor the heroism of the human rights violation victims.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.
The Freedom of Information Bill finally made